one of the biggest problems, and that is where we have a good advantage coming from this community. When we build products, if the products are cost effective, at the same time agile, that would meet the requirements of these organizations. Next is a large enterprise. Yes, even it needs to experiment so as to keep its base and also expand its operations to multiple geographies. But the interesting question again comes, so what's stopping them? Why are they not buying our products? They have a very planned and structured approach. Every day, they are faced with a single problem of reducing the recurring cost on legacy infrastructure. If you pick up two important points on the products, you will come up with, again, the products need to be agile and they need to be future proof. Organizations keep on coming with requirements. One possible way of delivering solutions to them is a quick workaround. You need this product? Okay, yeah, we can pick up 2-3 products and deliver the solution. But what is stopping us from going to these enterprises is the difference between the legacy products and their partners who are pushing the products to us is on maturity of the products and maturity of how these products are packaged and how they are delivered. There is a huge bit of difference in professional way in which the legacy owned products are packaged and how these products are packaged. I'm sure this is an open question that we all will think of it and solve it in the coming days. Now coming back to the product, the name of the product is Amaya Suite. It's an all IP based communication suite. Basically it's a switch independent application built on service oriented architecture. The default packaging is done on Asterisk. It's a Java based server application and it's all in one pre-integrated solution. Providing the contact centers with a reliable, scalable, extensible and a future-proof methodology. Apart from that, I have been talking about agility and scalability and being cost-effective since the beginning of the speech. On the agility front, what we have given is we have developed some very rapid application development platforms on it. Service-oriented architecture allows IT managers to choose through a checklist to create custom users. So we need not define our contact centers based upon definitions of agents, supervisors, managers, but we can come up with our own custom roles. Tomorrow your process might need an agent to supervise a particular campaign and yet take calls and also act like a manager for some other campaign. Like that, you can think of a way, and those things are possible in the product just by single click of checklist in a UI. Also, other rapid application development platforms like a UI-based report designer and node flow designer and integration platforms with other platforms allows it to be future-proof so as to take in the existing legacy products in it and also plugging in the future requirements. So, just in a nutshell, this is where the concept or the product philosophy of Amaya provides ready-made APIs to all the other existing products, be it legacy or new or open source products, and have technology partnership with all the products so that it can interoperate with all the existing and new infrastructures. Plus the most important thing is the rapid application development platform which enables partners and end users and IT managers to custom tailor the product whichever way they want, thereby making the single platform be applicable just by using the UI, fit for a BPO, fit for a bank, fit for a standalone IVR system or any other requirement in the market. Just to summarize, since one of the key categories which it serves is contact centers, it has all the inbound capabilities, right from handling through priority, voice recording, quality monitoring, queue management, and the CTI. On the outbound capabilities, predictive dialing, dynamic, progressive, rule-based dialing, reporting, it has close to 250 plus default reports, catering to the requirements of all as a single BI tool which the contact centers for enterprises need. A few of the innovations what we have been working and constantly release in the market. We have innovated, and these are patent pending algorithms that industry uses right now. One being VQ Pass, which is a virtual queuing concept. We in Vietnam still are not yet equipped with IVR as a tool to reach out to enterprise, not that much. But in the coming years, we'll see much more matured requirements in which all your booking, all your appointment fixing, all these processes would be agentless system, just being managed by a virtual queuing and IVR system. PACE, what we call is a next generation to predictive dialing. So in the future, PACE would eventually be replacing predictive dialing. PACE stores multiple states of calling, and it's a self-learning algorithm so as to which will learn and decide on its own when is the right time to contact, when is the right time to dial a person. So when I dial a person, there will be 4 possible outcomes. Either number is an answering machine, or it did not get connected, or the phone number is busy, or is the wrong number. Based upon these 4 dispositions, traditionally predictive dialing uses number of retry times to get connected to the person again after some time. With PACE, it's a self-learning algorithm, hence it does not waste the number of channels required to connect, and also keeps your agent's productivity high. So over a vis-a-vis comparison with predictive dialing at NRG, which stands for National Receivables Group of Australia, it's a collections company, it has encountered a 20% increase in agent productivity compared to predictive dialing. PPD is yet another innovation which stands for parallel predictive dialing. So we have heard the concept of queues in inbound. PPD allows queues in outbound so that you can have agent-specific lead lists, dialing with respect to agent-specific, or in case you have some customers, certain set of customers need to be addressed to certain agents. Parallel predictive dialing allows contact centers to have agent-specific dialing skills within outbound dialing, which was a myth earlier. Again, other very good innovation, example of innovation is the implementation of Amayo Expert at Motilal Oswal Securities, a leading trading house out of India. What they required is they have this contact center concept. They were launching a program by the name Dial and Trade, so that high net worth individuals actually take the advantage of using a central repository of people to take advice from and trade in stocks. So these people who are manning the call center are not agents but MBA grads in finance. Their salaries are of the order of $100,000 the package, annual package. So in case we go by the traditional concept of agents, wherein each agent takes and receives some 200, 250 calls a day, it is not possible to justify his salary because he earns based upon transaction. So interesting business challenge what we faced at that time was how much is the number of accounts that each advisor can be assigned so as to make the business profitable. So they were using the traditional approach, and they were using a Avaya system with 1 phone line per advisor. So Amayo made it possible that using a single CTI, we could plug in 3 to 4 phone lines into the same, so that the advisors can actually have a view of the missed calls. Yeah, they can have a view of the missed calls in the system here. And it also let him know from which particular phone he was reaching. So if I see a missed call and just try to connect back, I can just double click on it so as to reach him back. Stocks go up and down every second, and it is very important in case someone is planning to do trading. you need to get back to them within the fastest possible time. So this way, advisors could actually double click on a particular missed call and the system automatically connects him back to the phone from which he was calling. Also, he has a list of priority lists. He can categorize his personal lead list based upon it. He can click on multiple phone numbers and click on start. So his personal dialer starts doing automatic dialing. This is phone 1 on which he is connected, phone 2 again he is connected. So typical stock trading happens this way. The people dial in and they keep on talking with the advisor until the time the rates dip and then do the deal. So it's an interesting application that we have developed for them, in which they have missed call alert with multiple customers, multiple simultaneous interactions being managed using a single CTI, self-monitoring customer list, having a personalized list so that they can either click on multiple phone contacts and make an instantaneous personalized lead list and click on start dialing to start a broadcast campaign in which IVR is addressing to the requirements, or maybe connect him when he's free. And then based upon the call he is talking to, the particular CTA also gives information to multiple customer points. That's it. I would like to take leave on this. I also am keen to discuss further on any of the voice related discussions or any particular interest that you may have. You can reach me out at the particular email ID. And yes, together we can solve this problem of free versus value. Thank you.